Audible? Are you audible, sir? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Audible.
Yes, sir.
Then we completed actually second unit and third unit. Then fourth unit we can start slowly. Before that, we can do MCQ questions today we can discuss. Just you can answer me. Wait 1 minute. Are you able to see my screen? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now you can tell. One by one you can answer. Sin x is a, this is already you have, I think so, but anyway, you can try. Sin x is a periodic function with a period. Answer is pi, pi by 2, 2 pi, 4 pi. What is the answer?
Two pi.
Are you seeing answers?
2 pi, sir.
Only one can only tell, remaining what about others? Which one of the following function is an even function? Which one of the following function has an even function? Sin x, x, e power x, x square.
X square.
X square.
Option D.
Huh? What?
Option D.
Okay. Sin x is what, even or odd?
Odd.
X,
Odd.
e power x,
Odd.
odd. E power x odd.
Neither even nor odd.
Very good. See, one answer, if you are able to tell me is what, you can check the remaining answer why it's wrong. Then if you are able to find out means what, you become master in the subject. Okay. Third question is what? Wait. Go right. Where we are studying? Third question. Integral minus a to a f of x dx 0. If f of x is already you've done in plus 2 level, actually in plus 1 level, integral formulas, that's what properties. My integral is running from minus a to a f of x dx is equal to 0. If f of x is what?
Odd.
Odd.
Even means what will become?
2 integral of f of x over.
Okay. Now next you can see next minus a to a f of x dx is equal to 2 into 0 to a. This is the other part. So this function is what?
Even.
Even.
Right. Minus pi to run my integral running from minus pi to pi mod x dx is equal to mod x is even or odd.
Even.
So how can you write?
Option A.
0 to pi. Mod 2 integration 0 to pi. X.
Dx 0 to pi mod x minus x also x mod x also x only. Suppose minus pi to 0 means what, minus x you get, because in 0 to pi this even function. So you can write x. Remaining 3 are not valid. Now tan x is a periodic function with the period. All silver tea cups. Tan of pi plus theta is equal to what? Have you studied all silver tea cups?
So pi.
Pi. Tan of pi plus theta is equal to what?
Tan theta.
So the periodic function with the period is what? Pi. Next. The constant a naught of the Fourier series of the function f of x equal to x. My limit is running from domain is what, 0 less than or x less than or equal to 2 pi. What is the answer? Some, if they ask just constant means what, you have to find a naught by 2. Coefficient of constant. But is mentioning a naught means what, just you can find a naught. So what will you get answer? What will you get answer?
2 pi.
Huh?
2 pi.
How?
Integration of 1 by pi integration 0 to 2 pi
0
x
to 2 pi
dx.
x dx. So x square by 2 dx. Sorry, x square by 2. If you apply the limit, what you will get?
2 pi square by pi.
2 pi. X square by 2 h is 4 pi. Then 2 will cancel. Pi will cancel. 2 pi. Yes. Then constant a naught of the Fourier series f of x is equal to k running from 0 to 2 pi. This is what you will get. 1 by pi integral of 0 to 2 pi f of x dx. Who is my f of x? K. So integral k is what? Kx dx. If you apply limit is what? 2 pi k by
2k.
2k.
2k. Then f of x is an odd function. Minus n to n minus 1. Okay. Minus 1 to 1. Then value of an is a Fourier expression. In Fourier expression of f of x is what? An odd function is what you will say immediately. Who will be stands? F of x is defined in minus L comma L or minus 1 comma 1 or minus pi comma pi. Then immediately what you will say? F of x is odd function. Who will stand? What you will say?
Bn will stand, sir.
Bn stand, remaining two fellows what?
0.
So a naught is equal to 0, an is equal to 0. Now an value is what here?
0.
0. Very good. Same story. F of x is an even function minus pi comma pi. The value of Bn. Even function is Bn will become what?
0.
0. So answer is what here?
Option C.
Very good. The RMS value of f of x domain is what? A less than or equal to x less than or equal to b. Then what?
Option B, sir.
Option
B.
D.
B,
Okay.
sir. B. B for ball.
D.
B. Okay. C also wrong. D also inside one root is there, square is not there. So upper limit minus lower limit. B is the correct answer. Then RMS value of f of x is equal to x in minus 1 comma 1 is same above pharmacy. Above you have formula, you said this is the correct answer, you know. Then you can apply what you will get. What is the value?
0, sir.
F of x whole square, you can do this what? X square. Integral running from what? Minus 1 to 1. Or 2 into 0 to 1 also you can write. Correct or not? So x cube by 3 you will get. Then divided by 2. 2 will cancel. So 1 if we apply this one, 1 by, what is the answer? What is the answer, yeah?
Zero. Sir.
Huh? What is the answer? C, A, B, D. C.
C.
If y bar is the RMS value of f of x, 0 comma 2l, then a naught square by 2, 1 plus 1 by 2, sigma is running from 1 to infinity, a n square, b n square is what? Y bar square by 2 or y bar by 2 or y bar square. Are you there, all of you?
Y bar square by 2.
Y bar square by 2 or y bar square, check. Don't see the answer, close your eyes. What is the answer? Y bar square actually. Next. Half-range cosine series of f of x in 0, pi. Cosine series means what? Who will stand? A0 and A only. Don't say Bn is equal to 0. But what is the correct answer? All of you there, just you can make a sound.
Option A, sir.
All of you just you can make a sound. Just you are on computer with some. Any cricket is there today? No cricket, you know? Now? Any cricket is there? Huh? Cricket program. Hello?
No, sir.
Then you can attend class. See, half-range sine series of f of x in 0, pi. So what do you get?
C.
B.
C.
Loudly tell them. C.
Yes, sir.
So A not A M won't come, B and C and sin x only will come. Yes. This you can see 16. The function f of x defined x is equal to running from minus pi less than or equal to less than or equal to 0, minus x 0 less than or equal to less than pi. So what is it you can take? So this is also running from minus pi to pi. Two intervals given. Take negative part, you can test. If you get the positive part, what you will say? Function is what? Change x by minus x in negative part. So you will get minus x. So same fellow coming. After changing x by minus x, same f of x if you get this, that function is called what?
Even.
Huh?
Even.
Even. So answer is what? Even. Next. The function f of x is equal to gx 0 less than or equal to less than or equal to pi, minus pi less than or equal to. So if I am applying minus 6, I am getting minus of that fellow. So what is that mean?
Odd function.
Odd function. 18. The value of Fourier series f of x 0 less than x less than equal to beta x is equal to 0. I told you after getting the answer, putting x is equal to 0, single interval means I told you both values you can apply. So what value will get? X is equal to 0 or x is equal to 2 pi, you can apply the answer. If you want to check the hands, deduce some part, continuity increase, what you will do? What value will get? F of 0 plus f of 2 pi by 2. Correct or not? Is equal to f of 0 or f of 2 pi. Both are true. So which is the answer now? What is the answer? Tell me answer. Hello?
C, sir.
I put
Option C, sir.
everyone option actually. You just speak out. If it is wrong also, no problem. I don't do anything. What is the problem telling answer? The value of Fourier series f of x in 0 less than x less than 2l. 2l, that is okay. X is equal to l, that is not 1. So what is the answer? Or you can take x less than equal to less than 2, you can take. X is equal to 1, what you will get?
F of 1.
Very good. Why?
Sir, it has continuity.
Very good. Nice. What is your name?
Reddy Babu.
Reddy Babu. Super. Good. Because continuous, you can get f of 1 immediately. The value of 4, because once if you decide the answer means what you can see, what is the, how we are remaining 3 also, why it's wrong, you can see why you are telling this to check. The value of Fourier series f of x with x square 0 less than x less than 2 at x is equal to 1. What is the same story? Is given, f of x is not is given, but is what f of x given. So what you now, in the answer you can substitute it. What you will get tell? X is equal to 1 also here is what? Continuous. So what you will get? What you will get?
1.
1. That is f of 1. F of 1 is 1 square. That is what? 1. So answer is what? Answer is what? What is the option?
C option, sir.
Ah. Which of the following is an even function of x? X square minus 4x sine 2x plus 3x, x cubed plus 6. Who is the even function here?
Option A.
A. Second one is neither even nor odd. Third one is odd function. D also neither even nor odd. So only A only answer. A function f of x is with the period t, then how can you define f of x plus t is equal to f of t super? F of x plus t is equal to f of x. F of x plus t is equal to minus f of x. F of x plus t into f of x equal to 0. So a periodic function defined in period a means what? F of x plus a is equal to what you get? This is period t is telling. So f of x plus t is equal to what will become f of t or f of x?
F of x.
So answer is what?
Option B.
B. Yes. Offering cosine series of f of x cos x in 0 pi, the value of a naught. What is the answer? Tell me.
क्या?
Huh?
क्या?
Yeah. 23rd answer. Offering cosine series of f of x cos x in 0 pi, the value of a naught is. Are you able to see my screen? Everyone? Then what is the answer? A naught you can find out.
Zero.
Huh?
0.
Tell me A naught formula. What is A naught formula?
2 by pi integral 0 to pi f
Very
of
good.
x dx.
Yes, I am expecting actually this is 2 by pi is important. In the last class computer science I asked me this they got actually 0 because of cos x if you apply the limit nicely you get 0. 1 by pi they said actually. Because of function value you get 0 nicely 1 by pi 2 by pi it won't affect. Suppose if any value stands means what? The whole thing collapse. So how you will start the problem? 2 by pi. That is very important. 2 by pi 0 to pi. Correct or not? So that is important. That's what I want actually. 0 anyone can get. But before getting 0, what you want to do, how you start, that is important. Then 24th is what? An example of function which neither even nor odd. Which function is neither even nor odd? First function is what? X sin x is even or odd?
Even.
Even. See, third function x square sin x is even or odd?
Odd.
Odd. X cos x even or
Odd.
odd? Then e power x is what?
Neither even
Even
nor.
odd.
So answer is B. If f of x is discontinued at x is equal to a, then Fourier series x is equal to a. Then what do you write? One problem we done actually minus x comma sin x minus pi less than or equal to x less than or equal to 0, 0 less than or equal to x. You can prove that some pi square by 8 or pi square by 12 something we done. What is how we have done this? F of 0 plus 0 plus f of 0 minus 0 by 2 is equal to we can learn. Similarly, is asking at x is equal to a. So what is the answer? Here a minus means a minus 0, a plus 0. That's the meaning actually. So superscript a minus means what? A minus of 0. That's what we done in formula. So what is the answer now here?
Option D.
Option B. So how you write f of a minus 0 plus f of a plus 0 by 2. Remaining 3 are all based. Hey, wow, yeah. Super. Nice. Everyone seeing my screen?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, see, already second unit, third unit completed. Next class also I will discuss one-dimensional heat flow and string problems, so MCQ I will discuss. I don't want to go. If I start Fourier transforms, it will take only 5 or 6 days. Only 16 or 15 maximum. Standard problems are what? 3 pi by 16 and pi by 15. 2, 3 problems are there. That's standardly 4 or 5 problems, that is enough. But we do everything, don't worry. Then this one-dimensional heat wave equation, so still I have not uploaded. Videos are uploaded, not edited. But playlist also you will get full all what we did in classroom notation, all problems you will get, don't worry. Time we can this you can do yourself. Then next class we can do what we want to do. Next class we may do what? Heat flow equations, MCQ I will discuss. Now today I am leaving actually. I am not feeling well. Okay. I will stop here. This you can revise. This already MCQ already with you or not. One zip file I am sent it actually. Go drive, you can go download, you can extract. You will get all, everything will be there. Some question papers and MCQ, every part is there. Yes or no? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So better download and you can see. Correct? Okay, I'm leaving. Bye. Next class we meet. Next class when tomorrow we have yes? 10 to 10:40 is there actually tomorrow. So you have classes what? 2, 4, 5 year after. 2 is what? 11 to 1. 4th order is 10 to 10:40. Day order fee of 5 also 10 to 10:45. You can come in your Google Meet only. No need to write previously. Some classes in EC, some classes in computers not.
Sir, tomorrow is holiday.
That is tomorrow since which next class? Every day holiday only. What is
Yes,
there
sir.
now? Vishnu Priya. You are boring or getting bored or not at home?
No,
Okay.
sir, not getting booked.
No, sir.
Not getting bored, huh? Eating, sleeping, eating,
No,
sleeping.
sir.
Huh? But anyway, practice, sir. The PDF notes with you. The 2 units you can practice. Okay? Bye.